Welcome back to the Gimme That Job course. You're halfway through, and you're doing great. Can you see your career path taking shape? We hope you understand that people successfully transition into new careers all the time. You can too. Just keep putting one foot in front of the other. Your next step is putting together a killer resume. That's the focus of the next 3 lessons. Let's get started. Hello again. It's me, Marina. So, you've been honing your skills, you've got your portfolio available online, and now you're ready to start applying for jobs. But what's a modern resume supposed to look like? Have no fear. At ianandtiz.com, resumes are our specialty. Before you start typing, or should I say, before you have AI start typing, give some thought to the format. Chapter 3, Lesson 1, encourages you to take a step back and establish readability as one of your top goals while building your resume. Think about it. If you're applying to this job, so are dozens, perhaps hundreds of other candidates. The hiring manager may spend only a few seconds looking at your resume. However, a larger company will likely be using ATS, that is, an applicant tracking system, to filter through applicants. In either case, only the clean and readable resumes will survive. Don't make it a treasure hunt. Don't make it a riddle. Here are some popular templates we use for our clients. You'll notice they're uncluttered, the graphics aren't out of control, the subheadings are clear, and bullet points replace long paragraphs. These resumes are an easy read for the hiring manager, and they pass right through the ATS, provided, of course, the right keywords are all there. But that's a topic we'll cover in the next lesson. Whether you DIY, use AI, or hire a pro, remember this key point when building your resume. Making your skills and experience easy to grasp will also make you easy to hire. That's it for this lesson, but we've still got a lot more resume advice to share. Next time, we'll discuss a strategy that will drastically increase your chances of getting an interview. Tailoring your resume to the company. Pick up the handbook on Amazon. In the appendix, you'll find resume samples, a career journal, and a work search record to track your progress. I'll see you at the next lesson.